The Learning Settings page is your control center for how educational content is organized and accessed across your organization. To manage these configurations, navigate to Learning and select Settings in the Admin Portal sidebar. The default Overview tab provides a quick launchpad to the three main configuration areas. Clicking on any of these cards will take you directly to the corresponding tab. The Categories tab is where you manage the tags used to organize courses in the Explore catalog. You'll notice some system defaults that are locked, but you can build as many custom categories as your organization needs. To add a new grouping, like Marketing Training, click the blue Add Category button, type the name, and click Create. This tag is now immediately available to use when building a course. TechClass comes with an expert-built training library. The Training Access tab lets you define how employees consume this content. You can select Open Library to encourage self-directed learning by letting users browse and self-enroll in TechClass Training Library courses from the Explore tab. Or choose Admin Assigned Only to hide the catalog, so learners only take the courses you explicitly assign to them. Finally, the L&D Resources Access tab lets you control exactly who can see supplementary materials like articles or eBooks based on their portal role. Use the checkbox matrix to toggle visibility. For example, if you want an ebook available to everyone, check the Learner box. Because everyone is a learner, this automatically grants access to all other roles. Conversely, you can uncheck boxes to hide specific content types, reserving certain high-level management resources strictly for your admins or group leads.